In this video, we're gonna take a look at Pixpa and Zenfolio to see which one is better between these two. So Pixpa is ideal for creatives wanting a sleek site with galleries, blog and store. Zenfolio is tailored for photographers needing proofing and photo delivery tools. The pros and cons. So we're gonna start with the pros. We have Pixpa, beautiful templates, built-in blog and store. Then we have Zenfolio, client proofing, integrated photo selling tools. Now the cons: Pixpa, less specialized for photographers. Zenfolio, fewer design options, more niche focused. So overall, choose Pixpa for design flexibility if you want that, or Zenfolio for photography client workflows. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.